Oh, you see it
Nice,
early this morning.
What's happening?
That's what we doing, King Blessing, right?
Yes.
Another one, y'all. Trying to get him back running righteous. So we have some carburetor, ball, shake loose. We need to get it tuned back right. We're gonna do an upgraded CDI. Might do an engine swap, sprockets. We in for a day today. Stay tuned. It's alive. Oh yeah. Another one. New plug. We're gonna check that off. Oh, that's ugly. You need some new oil. But hit that button. Let's see. Oh yeah, we're in there. Oil change. Oh yeah, I gotta get that out of there. Look at that oil dripping out of there. Time to put some new in there. So this thing is running pretty good. So another satisfied customer, huh?
Oh yeah. Loving it, baby.
We done did a full tune-up, full service, alignment, everything to it.
Yeah,
Upgraded CDI. This thing is running pretty good. Oh, you see it. Oh yeah, man. That sound like got a cam in it. Man, right on, he got somewhere to be. Oh, you see it. Clear, man. It sound like a bike coming down the block. Piping through there.
Maybe gonna be tired of him.
Look, woo! I hear him. Oh, nice. That boy riding.
You broke it down?
running, bro. Get his bench.
Yeah. Another satisfied customer, huh?
Yeah.
Let me hear you say, you see it.
Right, you see it. This shit running, bro.
Let's see if we can hear him a block over. We just gotta put some air in that front tire right there.
Yeah. Actually, I think I gotta plug it or something. Right? It's got to leak something.
Oh, you gotta probably put it back on the bead.
That's what I was trying to do yesterday when I came back and blew it.
Yeah. I'm just thumping like bump, 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 bump. I'm gonna turn the idle up a little bit.